absolute chaos.
Landon, did you find a nice easy way for everyone?
No.
Okay.
You want to do that? I'll do that. Nice trail. Oh, this snow is nuts. Yeah, gonna get the guys to go down that way. Yeah, the nicer path. Try to get up above there again. Round 2 going down here. What do you figure, Matt?
Tail dry. Hey, you go up. We're playing a bit. Go play. I'll help Matt.
Oh, I'm trying to get up that. The most unnecessary line ever. Made it. Only took like 5 tries.
That's pretty badass.
Jaryn, Seel, doubling that up. And they made it. How was that double ride up?
Effortless.
I'll make you a trench in front. After you help me, you got quite a few of these. Just like that. Try it again. Nice. Do a re-entry. Oh, that looks so cool. Yeah. Nice. Okay, what can we 270? Way too far. Okay, we're gonna put some lean on that. What if we went higher?
If you went higher up, you'd be better, but just please don't get hurt.
No!
It was basically backflip.
Backflip.
Not enough speed!
Little more rotation.
No! Not today. I messed up on that first one by going too slow.
How do you do them things? Just pull to the left or what?
Pull back and then look left. If you look left right off the bat, you just spin.
Oh, that was so close!
The stoke is high.
That wasn't bad.
Was that like on the lines of it?
Alright, yeah, kind of, like that ended up being more like a big re-entry.
Okay.
Because you kind of like weighted the one side quite a bit, so it still looks sick. Half of it is just hitting this stuff and seeing what it does.
Half of the what?
Half of it is just hitting this stuff and seeing what the sled does.
Yeah, like that was a bit. Yeah, it was more of a re-entry.
That's okay.
Okay, let's continue. I just wanted to try it.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna get her on this one. I'm not gonna try.
There. See if this will go. Oh man, I was trying to make it to the next downslope. Now. Check out that background. Unbelievable. Thought the Flyers was finally gonna make it. About the 10th try. Low fuel. Park job. We gotta do the park job challenge on the 2025 Freeride 154. Are you tracking right now?
Oh yeah, look at that.
Look at these lines. That's awesome. Zoom out a little bit.
Yeah, I've been like
That's awesome.
vicious. Thanks again, sir.
Uh-huh.
Man.
I wouldn't land any more to your left than that.
I think I'm gonna like angle off.
Okay, good, yeah.
I'm gonna come down, take my bag off, and then zip back up here. Okay. One more. Running out of fuel. The victory bow tie did not work very well. Trying to make me a flat platform. I'm glad I didn't run out on the drop.
Yeah.
Oh, that was cool. Oh, that was a good one to bail on.
I could have totally landed that.
I'd say that was a good one to bail on. Too soft to be doing a 180. Hit it again. Today has been super awesome so far. The guys are gonna do some wheelies up towards us here because that cloud background is sick. Oh no. Chad man, round 2. Yeah! Woo! Yeah, baby! Gonna go put gas in the sled now. Well, we're all headed out now. It's been an awesome day. Still up on the mountain right now. Really appreciate you watching this Mountain Standard Time episode. And hopefully you can get out and ride yourself because it's a lot of fun. Let me know where you're from in the comments and where you usually ride. Till next time, new upload every Thursday at 1:16 Mountain Standard Time.